alcohol, smoking also produces low back ache. We are in the period of transition. We have last 20 years, we have so much of knowledge we are procuring from the net. Those people who were 30 years, 20 years back now have become 50 years. Now they understood. They have a knowledge now. They are taking some precautions. That's the reason the low back ache people are less seen in elder age now. Now low back ache is seen more in the younger individuals. But the low back ache, young individuals is different. Low back ache from the old individuals is different. Old age people, it is purely because of the degenerative changes. Whereas young individuals, the reasons are, as I told before, hypothyroidism, any underlying causes, disc prolapse, bad traveling, traveling in a bad roads, sitting for long hours in an awkward position. Some people work in the, at home by just lying down on the bed and put the laptop on their chest and operate. Some people sleep, sit by lying down just behind on the 2 or 3 pillows and work in a 45 degrees semi-recumbent position. These people are getting backache because of the awkward positions. So this is there is no woman in the world who doesn't have a pregnant woman in the world who doesn't have a low backache. It is quite rare. It is because pregnant women, they put a lot of weight, at least 10 to 15 kilos weight because of water retention, so many things, and they have to carry the fetus and the weight, so many things are there, and the hormonal changes that put a lot of pressure on the back, and they develop a lordotic. That means their tummy comes out, and to compensate the walk, what happens, the upper part of the spine goes back, the lower part of the spine comes back. They just walk like a lordotic gait because of the pregnancy. That's the reason they have the backache. What we doctors advise that the patient should use pillow to relieve the pain. That means we are allowing the patient to rest in a position of ease. So they keep the pillow according to the convenience where they feel comfortable. That's how the low backache is reduced. However, whatever the measures we have taken, the backache will come down only 3 months after the delivery, because they have a lot of stress during the delivery, after delivery also, and they don't get a proper rest because of that infant, the abnormal timing, wake up and all. Nowadays, so many nuclear families, we don't have a much support or elder support and all.